Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z9675A. 29,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, Cajun red in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Power liftgate for convenience, lots of storage space in the rear. 60/40 split seat, can also be folded from the rear with a pull-up handle. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in a perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. All-wheel drive lock. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's material inside. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 252 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. All that with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.